Scan now. Meet Sovi, your new AI study buddy.
Derivative questions get easy fast when you rewrite carefully, differentiate one more time, and track every sign. So watch this and lock in the answer. Okay, start by rewriting the given derivative. dy over dx equals 2x minus y all over x, which becomes 2 minus y over x, and that cleaner form is easier to differentiate. Now, differentiate both sides again with respect to x. The derivative of 2 is 0, so we only differentiate negative y over x using the quotient rule carefully. That gives y double prime equals y minus xy prime over x squared. Well done! Option A. Scan now. Watch signs and avoid rush. Trust the given derivative, then check each step before simplifying.